Hello dear students, in this video we are going to start chapter number 14, that is electric current and its effects. Okay, so have you ever heard about the game that is named as How Steady Is Your Hand? So इस गेम में बच्चों हम लोग क्या करते हैं, as you can see there is a setup to check how steady your hand is. Okay, in this figure as you can see these are some connections which are made to the different conducting objects such as bulb, pin, electric cell, nails and this key. Okay, so this connection is made in such a way that you have to move this key from one end, from end A to end B without touching the thin wire. Okay, if the wire is touched in the key, then this bulb will glow and you will be out. Okay, so this is how you can play this game. Okay, बच्चों इस सर्किट में आप जैसे कि एक सर्किट देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पे 14.1, यहाँ पे इस सर्किट में ये कुछ कंडक्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं जिसके थ्रू ये सर्किट डेवलप किया गया है. ठीक है, इसमें एक वायर जो है वो की को अटैच किया गया है, दूसरा वायर उसका बल्ब को अटैच किया गया है और बल्ब से एक वायर पिन की तरफ आ रहा है और पिन से दूसरा वायर बैटरी सेल की तरफ जा रहा है, नेगेटिव टर्मिनल की तरफ, और दूसरा जो पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल है वो एक और वायर से कनेक्टेड होके की तरफ अटैच्ड है. ठीक है, अब इसमें हो क्या रहा है बच्चों, अब आपको एक की दी गई है जिसके थ्रू आपको ये जो पतला वायर जो दो नेल्स के थ्रू जॉइंट है, इस पतले वायर में से आपको की जो है वो एक एंड ए से एंड बी की तरफ लेके जाना है. ठीक है, विदाउट टचिंग द साइड्स ऑफ की टू दैट वायर. अगर आप ऐसा कर लेते हैं तो आप जीत जाते हैं और अगर आप ऐसा नहीं कर पाते हैं तो यू गेट फेल्ड एंड द बल्ब विल ग्लो. इफ द की टचेस टू द वायर देन द बल्ब विल ग्लो. ओके, so moving on to the next topic, that is symbols of electric components. Here we can see in the table 14.1 symbols for some electric circuit components are given. Okay, so first one is electric cell and this is the symbol. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Okay, now second one is for electric bulb. This is the symbol for electric bulb. Okay, and third one is the switch in on position. This is the switch in on position. Here you can see this figure. And fourth one is switch in off position. As you can see, this is not connected. Okay, this is not connected with this. Okay, so it is in off position and here it is connected, so the current is flowing through it. So it is in on position and this is in off position. Okay, next is battery. As you can see, the battery consists of more than one cell. Okay, so this is the symbol of battery, this is the symbol of wire. Okay, so the combination of two or more cell is known as battery. So many devices such as torches, transistors, toys, TV remotes use batteries. However, in some of these devices, electric cells are not always placed in one after the other. Sometimes the cells are placed side by side. Then how the terminals of the cell connected? Look carefully inside the battery compartment of any device. There is usually a thick wire of a metal strip connecting to the positive terminal of one cell to the negative terminal of the next cell. In order to help you to place the cells correctly in the battery compartment, plus and minus signs symbols are usually printed there. Okay, how can we connect the cells to prepare battery for our activities? You may make a cell holder as shown in the figure. So students, while making a battery, you have to make sure that the negative terminal of the first cell should be connected to the positive terminal of the other cell. Okay, then only the electrons or electric current will flow through it or pass through it. But if you connect the negative terminal to the other negative terminal, then the current will not flow through the circuit. Okay. So as you can see in this figure 14.5 and 14.4, there are two different type of holders. That one is in the series connection. Okay, as you can see, one on the top of the other. Okay, and they are connected by the metal chip. Okay, so here is the connection. Okay, and from here one end of the wire is given, that is positive terminal, and here the negative terminal wire is given for you. And the second type of cell holder is this type, in which the cell are placed next to each other. Here one cell and other cell will be here. Okay, so the positive terminal will be here and the negative one be here, and in this case the positive is here and the negative is here. Okay, and they are connected to the metal chip here. Okay, they are connected with the metal chip, which allows the electrons to flow through the circuit. So now we are going to understand what is given in the activity 14.1. In this activity, you have to make a circuit, as you can see in this figure 14.7, an electric circuit. Okay, so this is the switch. This is the switch which is in on position. That is why the bulb is glowing. Okay. So one end of the switch, the wire is coming to the negative terminal, and from the positive terminal the wire is going to the towards the bulb. Okay, and from the other end of switch the wire is going to this side of the bulb. Okay, now if the switch is in on position, this is the condition of on position. If the switch is in on position, the bulb will glow and the circuit will represent like this. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of above electric circuit. Okay, this is how you are going to show the circuit diagram of the electric circuit when it is in on position. As you can see, the switch is in on position and the current is flowing, that is why the bulb will glow. So this is the electric circuit in the on position. Now if you want to show this electric circuit in the off position, then how can you make the circuit diagram? Let us see. Okay, now if you will see to figure 14.9, another diagram, in this case the bulb will not glow. Okay, why? Because the switch is off. Here the wire is not touching to the another side of the wire, that is why the switch is off and the current is not flowing through the circuit. Okay, so this is how you can draw the circuit diagram of electric circuit in off position. Okay, now coming to the heating effect of electric current. This is going to be explained through the activity 14.2. Okay, so in this activity what we have to do is we have to take a cell and a circuit. Okay, we have to connect electric cell with the help of wire to a bulb. Okay, then we will switch on the circuit. Okay, and before switching on we have to touch the bulb. Okay, at that point the bulb is at the lowest temperature, that you will not feel any heat. Okay, at that time before making the switch on. Okay, and after you will switch on the circuit, the bulb will glow and you have to put it on for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, after that you will switch off the circuit. Okay, and then again you will touch the bulb, and then you will feel some heating effect through the bulb. Okay, so that is due to the flow of electric current through the bulb. Okay, so in this video we are going to do this much only. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.